Hey, my friend, it's Gavin Mountford here, founder of Six Step Social, and welcome to the 5-day challenge. I am incredibly excited that you're here with us, and you are going to get so much out of this process. It's going to dramatically change the way that you build your business online for the better. So please take a look underneath this video. You're going to see a little button or a link. If you click on it, it should open up the instructions document here. I'm going to walk you through the instructions right now, so please watch this entire video to learn how to get the most out of the 5-day challenge, because there's going to be some things that if you don't watch this training video now, you may miss out on as you go through. So the first thing to note is, if I just come on over to this page here, which is, let's say, the day 1 training here, the 5-day challenge is designed that you go through the 5 days, one day at a time, and you take action and implement what you learn. And that's how I've designed it. That's how people get the best results that I have found. However, having said that, I've also been asked many times by other people, can we go through it faster, please? Can you give us some links so we can go through and jump ahead if we want to? So what I've done is, all these images at the top of the page, whether you're watching it on mobile or whether you're watching it on computer, you can click on to go through to the specific day's training. So let's say right now you're on day 0 watching this. If you want to go to day 1 immediately, you can do. You can go and jump ahead. You can watch the trainings and take action. And then this evening, if you wanted to go to day 2, you're welcome to do so. I do recommend that you go through it one day at a time to give your brain time to catch up and to digest the learnings fully. However, I know that different people learn at different stages and different methods and different ways. So you can jump ahead if you want to. Now, if you choose to go through the 5-day challenge the regular way, what's going to happen is there's going to be a couple of days from as soon as you've registered to when you actually start the challenge. So your challenge will start 48 hours after you initially registered, and it will all be done through email. So for example, if you registered on a Tuesday at 1 p.m., your first email to begin the 5-day challenge will be sent out to you on Thursday at 7 a.m. Just because there's some other information that I want to send you first before you actually begin the challenge. And it gives you time to get ready, to kind of block out your calendar, to make sure you've got the time available. So this is how most people have been through the challenge this way. So the way that it'll work is, I will send you 2 emails each day. One at 7 a.m. in the morning, which will be your local time, with your main training, and then a second recap email at 7 p.m. in the evening, again, your local time. And the emails will come from Gavin Mountford. So search for Gavin Mountford in your inbox if you can't find the emails. And again, you should be able to find them from me. If you can't find them for any reason, maybe re-register again or send me a private message through Facebook. And each email related to the 5-day challenge will have 5DC at the start of the subject line. Really, really important. Make sure you're reading the emails, because the 5-day challenge isn't just the videos, it's the whole thing. There's a psychological journey that you go through as well. And I talk about your journey to freedom in each of the emails. In fact, there's 7 specific emails, a 7-part process that you're going to learn in addition to the 5 days. And you'll get that in the emails as well. Second, each of the day's trainings will have between 1 and 3 short training videos that will go into the day's topic. So again, make sure you go through that, and you'll see on each page, you'll see the videos that are available for you to watch. There's normally 1 to 3 training videos, and underneath you'll find the goals and the challenge instructions for you. But make sure you're implementing, make sure you're taking action, make sure you're doing the homework, because when you do that, what we found is people learn much faster because they're actually learning and implementing at the same time. And then once you've done your challenge for the day, each day I give you a challenge for you to do, so you've implemented what you've learned. Once you've done it, make sure you go and post in our Six Step Social Facebook group so we can see what you've done, so we can celebrate with you, so we can be part of your journey as well. And again, what you'll find is when you do that, you learn much more in depth, and we can be part of this with you as well. So make sure you post in the Six Step Social Facebook group. And what you'll then find is underneath each of the videos, there are daily bonuses on offer. So again, if you take a look here, this is the page that you'd be watching. You can see here it says access day one bonus here. So you can click on that. It'll bring you down to the bit that talks about your bonuses. And this one, for example, is getting leads is easy, 6 minutes daily affirmations audio. So at the end of each training, you can then request your bonus. And there's some instructions on how to do it here. You basically will send me a private message and I will send your bonus to you. And a very simple process, but it means that you get access to these incredibly powerful bonuses as well for completing the trainings. And you will absolutely love the bonuses. Getting leads is easy, 6 minutes daily affirmations audio, perfect 7 social media status updates, the social media for business advertisers cheat sheet, etc., there as well. And then one final thing that you'll see is at the top of each of the pages, as you go through, there is a button that says watch fast track webinar, or if you scroll down a little bit, you will see here it says watch fast track webinar, or even here you will see watch the 6 steps to 6 figures on social media webinar. So if you click on that at any point through the challenge, I recommend that you watch this on maybe day 3 or onwards, but you can watch this anytime you want to. And you can go through and watch that webinar, which is going to show you how to implement this process on a deeper level. This is essentially the fast track webinar. We cover some of the same things, but I show you more of the implementation side of things as well. At the end of this training, I also give an opportunity for you to be part of our case study implementation program, where we work directly with you to help you succeed in your business. And ultimately the goal is to help you hit 6 figures in the next 12 months. Again, totally dependent on which your business model is, but definitely register for that webinar, watch the training, and if you feel it's right for you, submit your application for the case study program. Now, one important word of note, we do not accept everybody on the case study program. It's only for select people that we can see have been taking action, have been implementing, and have the right type of business that we can help to scale to hit that income goal. Okay, so again, very, very, very excited here. The next thing to do, I recommend, is to make sure you've joined our Facebook group if you haven't done so already, and then say hi, introduce yourself. And I've just put here, please take a quick moment to create a new post in our Facebook group. So, go through to the Facebook group and introduce yourself. Tell us you're starting the 5-day challenge. Tell us a little bit more about yourself if you'd like to. Include a picture doing your favorite hobby, or with your family or your friends or your pets, or whatever it is that you would like, because hand on heart, honestly, we want to know who you are. We want to get to know you a little bit more. And we want you to be part of this community as well. This isn't just, you do the 5-day challenge and you go away. You're part of the group, you're part of the community for as long as you want to be as well. So very excited for this journey with you. If you've got any questions, if you need any help, please post in our Facebook group. And I cannot wait to watch you succeed with this program. Gavin Mountford here. See you soon. Bye-bye.